I'm just going to show you one, but literally it's English over here, and you can write whatever you like over there to get the output you want. So my prompt is very specific, and I'm going to give kudos to my friend Simon over here in Bali that worked with me today and made this prompt really good. So prompt writing is a clear skill. So I recommend you to, yeah, spend time writing a good prompt. So my prompt obviously takes in the data from the data cleanup node over here, the code node I showed you before, because it has everything that you need and it's cleanly structured. And then I have things like have no call to action, just acknowledgement and warmth, because that's at least how we're doing it. You can obviously write whatever you like over there, and this is the output you get. And once you get that output, we clean it up again with a simple code node, and it gives you all the output over here. And once you do that, you put this back into Airtable, and you can just map the columns, right? So you literally drag and drop the columns, and it's mapped. And this means that your Airtable is clean. And what I've not shown you over here is the fact that you can now connect this to instantly. And when you do that, you click a button or you just continue the workflow and it sends the email. So instantly is a great tool to have domains that are not your main domain, because you don't want to use your main domain to be sending this, because if you get caught in the spam filter, your entire domain, entire business is affected. So in our case, we have a side domain called moonrisehealth.se, which is like a Swedish domain, and we don't use that. So our main domain is moonrise.health. So we're just warming up our inbox in instantly. It takes 2 weeks, and I recommend you to do that. So if you go to instantly, you can see you can see how to do that. I'll probably do another video where I take you through the instantly setup, but basically let me just quickly show you what I've done for my other project, where it's literally 3 nodes that you need. So the 3 nodes that you need are an API call. So you need to have a node called a post node, which basically gets the lead data, and you need to put in your API. And once you do that, you do a HTTP request to do a get node, and then you send the data, and then it's done. The email is gone, and you can log that back in your Airtable. So it's literally 3 nodes, the 2 HTTP nodes and an Airtable node that logs everything for you. So it's wonderful what you can do today. So just to recap, what we've done over here is built $1,500 tool, at least, or let's say $500 per month tool, in literally few nodes with some vibe coding with AI. And this is the workflow. This is the final workflow. And it starts with the schedule trigger, uses Airtable as your base, runs through a couple of scrapers, goes through an AI to check relevance, goes through Hunter to get your email, goes to Perplexity to get the lead information, and then puts it all in a wonderful cleaned up structure, puts it in an AI, gives you a wonderful output which feels very personal, and connects it to instantly so you can send it.